It's a beautiful March morning, March 12th here on Cottage Lake. I see the swans are out on the water. Beautiful big white swans. Kind of have opaque skies this morning, but it's a nice spring morning. And just wanted to share these beautiful birds out there. A little bit closer. I believe it's March 12th. Got March Madness coming. Saw some nice ball games last night. Big Ten tournament, I think it was. Yeah, the lake is just absolutely still. Hopefully I've got the viewfinder where it belongs here on those two. We often see about 7, but for some reason just 2 geese out here now, or not geese, white swans. Pretty rare in this area. Well, it's just in King County here. I haven't seen them, but I guess there's some in South King County on some of the lakes. But I hadn't seen any in over 50 years living here in King County. Yeah, they're just beautiful. They stand about 3 feet tall. 3.5 even, I've heard, on land. And so they're a lot bigger than a Canadian goose. So, just absolutely nice out here. We're looking for spring. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.